Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can brighten images in the Pixlr photo editor in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so let me go with that example image or photo depicting an autumn forest or wood like this. So what you want to do guys is simply select the given image here on your canvas or as a layer here to the right and navigate to, let me find it, to adjustment here at the top. And from there, guys, you may go, for example, with brightness and contrast or with hue and saturation. Let me show you both of these options. So if I head over to brightness and contrast, you will see that brightness slider here. So you may use that one, for instance, to move it to the right or to the left. If you move it to the right, the image will brighten like this. Don't forget to click into apply here. And there's also option number 2, adjustment and then hue and saturation. And here you may play around with the lightness slider or feature here. So move it to the right or to the left. Now if I move it to the left it will darken as this, but if you move it to the right it will brighten up like this. Don't forget to click into apply here to apply these changes. And that's it guys, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.